Each product has a BV, and that's what we get paid based on. The second way to get paid is with our Fast Start bonus. When you bring someone into Valentus and they buy products for the first time, you earn a 40% commission of the BV value when they buy the 1, 3, or 6-box package option. That Fast Start bonus is 25% if they buy the 16-box Business Builder package, because we offer another 25% in our third way to get paid, our Legacy Coded bonus. That's a whopping 50% combined commission, all by simply sharing the simple system. When you personally sponsor only 3 people who purchase the $4.99 package, you're now Legacy Code qualified. So you'll earn a $200 bonus on every $4.99 purchase, from your 4th person through infinity. The best part is that every one of those is now part of your Legacy Code. So when they sponsor their first 3 to get themselves qualified, you'll get paid $100 on each. And as each of those new people get their 3 Legacy Code qualifying sales, you're paid $100 on each of those as well. The fourth way to get paid is through our 20% dual team commissions. You're only required to build 2 teams with Valentus in a simple left team, right team configuration. This helps everyone because, as you can see, the sales of number 11 contributes to the shared sales volume and resulting potential income of everyone above them, creating a fantastic team environment, as opposed to one of being in direct competition with each other. And everyone in your 2 teams through infinity helps contribute to a shared 200-100 BV in products team sales. This is called a sales cycle that earns you a $20 commission per sales cycle. Valentus permits up to 5,000 sales cycles per week, or $100,000 per week. That's powerful in a shared team business volume structure. Sound confusing? It's not. Let's make it simple. You sponsor 1 person per month for 12 months, and they each make a monthly purchase of just 3 boxes of product to follow the 12 and 24 plan. Teach them to do the same by sponsoring just 1 person per month for 12 months, and you'll be well over $10,000 per month in residual income. This is simple duplication with leverage working for you. Simple, right? It gets better. The 5th stream of income is our incredible multi-generation check matching bonus, where we reward you for sponsoring people who may be in a position to build a business faster than you, with a bigger circle of influence, with a greater success than you. The best part is, you're not penalized for doing so. You're paid a percentage of their dual team income check for life. Here's how it works. Everyone you sponsor is in your 1st generation, and you'll make 25% of what they earn through their binary income. Everyone they sponsor is in your 2nd generation, and you'll make up to 20% of what they make. 15% check match on your 3rd generation, all the way through 7 generations based on your leadership status. Know any superstars? We want them at Valentus, and you'll match their checks forever. Depending on the entry option you choose, you'll be either a silver, gold, platinum, or ruby. Your ruby designation in the plan offers you 4 generations of a check match, and you could move up from there to earn even more money as you and your teams grow. Isn't that enough? There's more. We want you to participate in the total company global sales volume pool each month. You'll earn 1 share of the 1% global revenue pool for the qualifying month that you personally sponsor 3 $4.99 Business Builder packs in that month. More? How about a car? And it doesn't have to be a pink Cadillac. Based on your rank, we'll give you $400 to $3,000 per month for the car of your choice. Let's simplify even further with our average annual incomes by rank. And our top 5 ranks above this have yet to be achieved by anyone. That's how new Valentus really is. A very simple system built on duplication of sound principles, great products, and a 12 and 24 program that people love.